Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. As you can see, The Boy Who Borrowed, written by Enid Blyton. In this chapter, we will read about a boy, Benny, who is fond of reading the books, but he always borrowed the books. Before reading the chapter, books written by some of the famous authors. So, here is a book called Gitanjali written by famous writer Mr. Rabindranath Tagore, who has also written our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. And next you were having this book Oliver Twist written by Charles Dickens. In this book, various experiences of Oliver's life is written. And next we are having the Jungle Book. On this book movie has also been made, and it has also been nominated for the Oscar. आप लोगों ने देखी भी होगी ये मूवी. हैव यू सीन दिस मूवी? अभी भी आती है ये टीवी पे. नेक्स्ट वी वर हैविंग 5 on a Treasure Island, again written by Enid Blyton. Next we were having another book. These the name of the writers you have to write on the page number 35 of your book. Next you will be having The Adventure of Sherlock Holmes, written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, and movie has also been made on this book. Next we were having Swami and His Friends. You have also read about this Swami and His Friends, written by R.K. Narayan. Now we will read about a chapter, The Boy Who Borrowed. Here a student, Benny, who loved reading books, and he always had his nose in his book and never had enough to read. He always busy in reading his books. He was fond of reading books. Really, said his mother, you only take half a day to read a book. What he was doing? He only takes half a day to read a single book. Benny, you need a book about as long as a dictionary. His Benny's mother was telling him that you need a book that should be thick as a dictionary. Then again what Benny replied, I want a book that goes on forever. मुझे ऐसी बुक चाहिए जो हमेशा जिसे मैं पढ़ता रहूं, जो कभी ख़त्म ही ना हो. Said Benny, that's the only book that will really give me enough reading. वो सिर्फ एक अकेली ऐसी बुक होगी जिससे मैं सेटिस्फाइड होऊंगा. That I will be satisfied with that book that goes on forever. Then again read the next line. Benny hadn't enough money to buy a lot of books. Benny के पास ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं होते थे. He didn't have enough money to buy books, and no one gave him any except Christmas time. He got his book as a gift only on the Christmas time. He had about 8 of his own, and that was all. How many books he has its own? उसके पास अपनी कितनी books थी? Only 8 books he was having with him. Then what he will do with the books? वो क्या करता था अपनी books के साथ? He just kept it in his shelf. So Benny borrowed books from his friends and from the library. Please, will you lend me the Island of Adventure? He asked Bill. I haven't read it. Benny used to borrow the books from his friends as well as from the library. He always goes to his friends and asks for lending him the book. What do you mean by borrow? Borrow means to take things take things with permission, with whom that the thing belong to. But if you are taking the another one's thing without permission, that is called stealing. अगर हम किसी और की परमिशन के बिना किसी की चीज़ लेते हैं, that is called stealing, चोरी करना. And if you take another thing, किसी और पर्सन की थिंग कोई चीज़ लेते हो तो, और इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग परमिशन, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड बोरो. ओके. एंड लेंड मीन्स उधार. फॉर सम टाइम you are using that thing of someone else. Okay. Next line. He asked Mary for the secret 7 and lent it to him. Then he borrowed 5 on a treasure island from Henry and 2 nature's book from John. He borrowed these books from his friends, but he always forgot to give them back. वो हमेशा उनको वापस करना भूल जाता था. At least he forgot at first. First time he really forgot to give them back, but when he saw his bookcase gradually filling up, as he borrowed the books, he set up his books in his bookshelf, and he was looking at his bookshelf that it was filling it, because he has only 8 books of his own और वो उसकी बुक शेल्फ को फिल करना चाहता था. So he decided to not to give back the books. He simply could not bear to give back any of the books, और वो उनको नहीं देना चाहता था. So he didn't. If the children asked him for them, he pretended he hadn't got them. Or when the children asked them to give their books back or the things that he borrowed, then he pretended. Pretending means he shows the false expression that I didn't have your thing. He was the most dishonest little boy. He was telling a lie, means वो बहुत झूठा था. He didn't only borrow books, he borrowed a ball from Eric and a pen from Lucky. Kenneth lent him a jigsaw and Ellen lent him a new rubber. He is not even having books. He also lent many things from his friends. Do you know what is jigsaw? Jigsaw is a puzzle. As you saw in this picture, where Benny is sitting on the table, a puzzle is residing there, that is called jigsaw. Okay. Now he didn't give any of them back and the children was very cross indeed. और वो कुछ भी वापस नहीं देता था. He didn't give anything back to anyone and children were very fed up with that Benny. And then one night something happened. एक दिन कुछ हुआ. What happened? It was something very peculiar, strange.